Bana Queen, ke bana ngich, ke kwito ke English, kana tong nuar, tedi bukon ke ngay gwada me tishal ke question word, ke tishni, riet latini, murai na ke jan gwasta meka. Akan konwe ni am gorno jin, be subscribe, ke bi notification bar bijetwine, ko mete ngi miche bari be shamala shibike jikapet. Tuwag na ja. Misha wenena, do you read? Do you read? Lorkanode, la kweni, do you read? La kweni tiye kenejima la kweni. Do you read? La kweni. Yes, I read. Yes, I read. Laana kwen. Laana kwen. Yes, I read. Laana kwen. What do you read? What do you read? Angula kwene mo. Michaji teje no. Angula kwene mo. Tiye keneji. What do you read? Angula kwene mo. I read newspaper. I read newspaper. Laana kwene wargani lari. Laana kwene wargani lari. Newspaper ke wargani kon la kwene getin cha print ke cha realako. Ke wo te right reading te ba kwene na. Di larodi I read newspaper mlunodi laana kwene warga leri ke laana kwen ke warga leri. Which newspaper do you read? Which newspaper do you read? Which newspaper do you read? Ke warga ni leri tin ken la kwene to. No. Ami ay joga no. Ke warga ni leri tin ken la kwene to. Ati kene ji ke warga ni kone la ma la kwene ni shang. Shirko tema mi ay jo newspaper do you read? Ke warga ni leri tin ken la kwene to. Di lojidi I read newspaper. I read Nuer newspaper. I read Nuer newspaper. Laana kwene warga ni leri tin shwali Nuer. Laana kwen warga ni leri tin shwali Nuer. Gwasi me ene newspaper la kwene mo deri latin. Deri Nuer deri woj. Dino lode jane. I read Nuer newspaper malude war laana kwene warga ni leri tin shwali Nuer. Awukon gwasi me. When do you read newspaper? When do you read newspaper? Ene la kweni wargani lerimo. Ene la kweni wargani lerimo. Kiene la kweni wargani lerimo. Ala gorka gwadran la kweni ja. When do you read newspaper? Ene la kweni wargani lerimo. I read newspaper every morning. I read newspaper every morning. Laan wargani leri. Kwen nishyang karunwang gwadame nishyang karunwang de kon runwang de kon alat. I read newspaper every morning. Di lar no. Muluno de lahen wargani leri kwen nishyang karunwang. I read newspaper every morning. Melodian jene. Where do you read newspaper? Where do you read newspaper? Gwasendian. Ki agwasamis la kwene wargani leri tino. Agwasamis ki agwasandian la wargani leri kwen sino. Where do you read newspaper? Agwasandian ki agwasamis la kwene wargani leri sino. Gorga gwadan la ka kwene tin. Di larwodi I read newspaper at home. I read newspaper at my home. Micha iti jino gwadian la wargan le rea kwente kene ji gwadan la kwenten adwel gorka office ki ene gwadan in ki chen gwad micha shechulo jidi I read newspaper at my home. Laen wargan leri kwen cheng. Laen wargan leri kwen cheng. Why do you read newspaper? Micha jiti why do you read newspaper? Miti kene jino nene. Angula wargani leri kweni ke jamo. Angula warga leri kweni ke jamo. Ki angula warga leri kweni ke jamo. Why do you read newspaper? I read newspaper for information. I read newspaper for information. Lan wargani leri kwen ko ba leri jak. Ki oba leri ngach. Lan warga leri kwen ke adekola lan warga leri kwen ke kwi Roy ni anon ki ke kwi leri I read newspaper for information. Lan warga leri akwen ke kwirwaini. Who do you read newspaper with? Who do you read newspaper with? Tigin jinone. Angala yen warga ni leri akwen kelo. Angala yen warga leri akwen kelo. Angala yen warga ni leri akwen kelo. Dere laron ki deji tejinono. Anga la yen warga ni leri akwen kelo. Lunodi. What do you read? Sorry, who do you read newspaper with? Who do you read newspaper with? I read newspaper with my friend. I read newspaper with my friend. Lan warga ni leri akwen kel kone masnika. Lan warga leri akwen kel kone masnika. I read newspaper with my friend. How do you read newspaper? How do you read newspaper? Lajin warga ni leri akwenidi. Lajin warga leri akwenidi. How do you read newspaper? I read newspaper slowly. I read newspaper slowly. Lain warga ni leri akwena mat. Lan warga leri akwena mat. I read newspaper slowly. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Channel Jack. Kan